Well, just months ago, Exxon reported the highest annual profits ever for a U.S. company.
So how does this $507 million payout affect the oil giant? CBS 11's Grace Zhang breaks down the numbers for us here in the studio tonight. Grace?
Well, Dave and Laura, like you said, Exxon set an all-time profit record. The oil giant earned nearly $41 billion last year. That's $1,300 every second. The Supreme Court today ruled that Exxon has to pay $507 million to 33,000 victims, which means they'll each get about $15,000. Now, that's an average because depending on each person's historical catch rate, they can get more or less. So what does $507 million mean to a corporation that's pulling in $41 billion? It's 1% of their profits. That's 1 week of profits for Exxon. Critics say that's just a drop in their corporate bucket compared with how the spill has affected the lives of thousands of fishermen. But according to UAA economics professor Scott Goldsmith, the Supreme Court ruling was not about compensation for lost income, but about punishing Exxon, a punishment that has been reduced 3 times over 20 years. Goldsmith says today's decision has larger implications.
I think that it is a victory for the business community because they were hoping that this settlement would be reduced.
Now, we should also mention that Exxon contributes to our state's PFD. Plaintiffs can expect to be paid in the next 60 to 90 days. Live in the studio, Grace Zhang, CBS 11 News.